number 5 ukhona.
Uzoreplace mina.
Ukufika kankosikazi omusha mina ngizokujabulela kakhulu.
Angikhothe ikhonto engihlanganisayo naye. Hambe uyozijolela wena nomunye umuntu owuntanga wakho uphume ekhehleni.
There's no need for me to force things.
Kodwa cha guys, can we all agree ukuthi season 8 gave us all the drama we needed? And yes, we understand ukuthi labantu abantu nabo, they have feelings, they have emotions, but they chose to give us drama. uMakhwela guys is wife number 5 kaMusa Mseleku, and introduced kwakhe kule relationship. Many of the wives wanted to go because of uMakhwela, but uMacele chose to accept uMakhwela, and we saw all the drama that was happening. uMangwabe it's uMakhwela replace yena she's going. Omayeni bethi bona bayahamba. uMakhumalo wasiyena bangamfaki nje endabeni zabo, and the question remains, bagcine bem-acceptile na uMakhwela laba abanye bafazi? Guys, ngokubona kwami abam-acceptanga. Everyone is living their lives. Like uThobile uyi-1, uhlezi ayi-1. Inkomehlwa yodwa, uhlezi ayi-1. And ushilo vele yena wathi ucela bangamfaki nje endabeni zabo. And when it comes to uMangwabe no Mayeni, I think nabo abam-acceptanga. Guys, yazi lo season 9 akasheshe ephume nje sizozitholela indaba sazithanda shem. Kodwa uMayeni noMangwabe are always seen together, and uMacele noMakhwela are always seen together. It's like uMusa Mseleku took abafazi who will group against one another, and I don't think uMayeni is friends with uMangwabe. I don't think so. But kuma events bahlezi beye bayi-2, and then kuma events la amanye uMacele noMakhwela bahlezi beye bayi-2. uThobile umuntu esingamboni la. uThobile uMakhumalo umuntu esingamboni. Akayi kuma events, even if uyile akashoot with one of the wives. And ngizwa amahemi. Ngiyakhumbula lesaka le which uMusa said each and every wife have to choose a house. Yeah, ugcine ebethengelile izindlu, and ukuthi abahlali esibayeni esodwa njengoba behlele eMzumbe. I don't know guys, sizobona ku-show nakhona. Le show isithathele isikhathi yazi guys. Bekumele uMusa nje every term yesikolo akhiphe ishow. And guys, I think usizana drama more kule show, because we heard ama-rumors. It's not even rumors, yena no-boyfriend akhe bebalwa online, and sizwile ukuthi usine uzalile and uthwalisa umfana ibhantshi. So we must expect more. Sesobona khona sesenze i-countdown manje kusele uDecember, January yaphuma ishow, bazokhipha i-trailer. And yeah guys, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.